Morning. Trying to play ranked, and when we search for a lobby, this is the error we get. Same for all three of us. Worked fine yesterday on my main account, but two of us made new accounts, so we could play with some other friends who never really played it last season, but want to get into it. Two of us finished Crimson last season, so only went hack to Diamond. Thought it'd be ideal to make new access to play with our mates who'll start Bronze. Has anyone else had this and know a fix?
These are the words of a Reddit user on the issue error cause 10 error code 0mw2. Before we jump into the solution, let's understand the issue first. Error code 0mw2 is encountered by players of the popular video game Modern Warfare 2. Understanding the cause of this error is crucial for troubleshooting and resolving gameplay issues. This error typically arises due to a failure in the game's network connectivity. It can be caused by various factors such as server maintenance, unstable internet connection, or outdated game software. Additionally, conflicting software or firewall settings may also contribute to the error. By identifying these potential causes, players can take appropriate actions like checking network stability, updating the game, or adjusting firewall settings to rectify error code 0mw2 and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Now, let's get to the solution, which was given by a Reddit user. He posted,
I figured it out. If it's error code 2022, while an mw2 disconnect your PC from Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Let the game offer to quit or restart. Quit the game. Then reconnect the internet. Relaunch the game and it should work. If it's an error code 10 and you are playing with other people, make sure their rank isn't too much higher than yours. Diamond can't play with bronze and silver, and it kinda goes from there.
If this video helps you, then don't forget to tell us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.